Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Here's a list of 5 long, blooming, flowering trees, known for their extended bloom periods, many lasting weeks to months. These are ideal for keeping your garden or landscape colorful for a long time. Number 1. Crape Myrtle's Lagerstroemia indica speciosa. Imagine a summer garden bursting with color. Clusters of pink, purple, red, and white blossoms waving proudly under the golden sun. That's the timeless charm of the crepe myrtle Afs, Lagerstroemia indica speciosa, a tree that paints the American landscape with its fiery elegance. Loved across the southern United States, this hardy beauty is a favorite for home gardeners looking to add long-lasting color, easy maintenance, and shade with sophistication. Growing crepe myrtle Lagerstroemia indica speciosa is a journey of light, patience, and gentle care. Begin by choosing a sunny location. This plant thrives in full sunlight for at least 6 hours daily. The more sunlight it receives, the more abundant its blooms will be. It's happiest in USDA zones 7 through 9, where the summers are warm and winters mild. Avoid shaded or damp spots, as this tree loves open air and good drainage. If your soil is heavy clay, mix it with compost and sand to improve aeration. When it comes to watering, the secret lies in balance. Crape Myrtle's Lagerstroemia indica speciosa prefers consistent moisture when young but becomes drought tolerant as it matures. Water deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather, allowing the soil to dry slightly between watering sessions. Overwatering can lead to root rot or fungal problems, so always check the moisture level before reaching for the hose. Fertilizing your crepe myrtle, Lagerstroemia indica speciosa, is like feeding it energy for color. Apply a slow-release balanced fertilizers 10-10 in early spring before new growth appears. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it may promote leafy growth but reduce flowering. For organic gardeners, compost tea or worm castings can enhance soil health naturally and keep those vivid blooms thriving throughout the summer months. Pruning is the art of shaping your crepe myrtle's Lagerstroemia indica speciosa. The best time to prune is in late winter or early spring before new buds form. At number 2 is golden rain tree, Koelreuteria paniculata. Imagine a tree that rains gold. The golden rain tree's Koelreuteria paniculata does exactly that, painting American gardens with dazzling yellow clusters that glow beneath the summer sky. If you've ever dreamed of adding a splash of sunshine to your landscape, this tree is your golden ticket. Growing golden rain trees, Koelreuteria paniculata, is simple and rewarding. It thrives best in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct light daily to bloom vibrantly. Choose a well-draining soil and a location with good airflow. The ideal temperature range lies between 65 degrees F and 85 degrees F, making it perfect for most U.S. climates. Once established, it's drought tolerant, but for healthy roots, water deeply once a week, less in rainy seasons and more during dry spells. Avoid overwatering, as soggy soil may damage its roots. Feed your golden rain tree Koelreuteria paniculata each spring with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to boost growth and flower production. Light pruning after the blooming season keeps its shape attractive and encourages new shoots. This tree is resilient, though occasional issues like aphids or leaf spots can appear, both easily managed with neem oil or gentle organic pest control. As the seasons change, this golden marvel offers a year-round display. Yellow blooms in summer, papery lantern like seed pods in fall, and striking structure in winter. Add it to your garden, and you'll have a living sculpture that glows through every season. So, why wait? Bring home the golden rain trees, Koelreuteria paniculata, today, and let nature's gold light up your yard. At number 3 is desert willows, Chilopsis linearis, under the golden warmth of a southwestern sunrise. The desert willow, Chilopsis linearis, stands proud, a vision of grace that thrives where most plants surrender. For beginners dreaming of a low-maintenance yet stunning flowering tree, this desert beauty is your perfect match. Growing the desert willow in the USA is surprisingly simple once you understand its natural rhythm. Choose a sunny spot. This plant craves full light, needing at least 6 to 8 hours daily. It loves warmth and flourishes in temperatures between 65 degrees F to 100 degrees F, making it ideal for arid and semi-arid regions across states like Arizona, Texas, and California. Use well-draining sandy or loamy soil to prevent soggy roots. Moisture is good, but never waterlogging. You water deeply once a week during its growing season and less frequently in cooler months. The desert willow, Chilopsis linearis, naturally tolerates drought once established. Fertilize once in early spring with a balanced slow-release formula to encourage lush foliage and blooms, and prune in late winter to shape the canopy and remove dead or crossing branches. Watch for common issues like powdery mildew or root rot, which are easily managed by improving air circulation and proper watering habits. With minimal effort, your desert willow, Chilopsis linearis, will reward you with trumpet-shaped flowers that dance in shades of lavender and pink, attracting hummingbirds and butterflies all season long. This is more than just a tree. It's a symbol of strength, adaptability, and desert charm, ready to transform your landscape into a living oasis. At number 4 is Jacaranda mimosifolia beneath the soft shimmer of a spring morning. The Jacaranda mimosifolia awakens in a cascade of lavender blooms, painting the sky in hues of magic and calm. Known for its striking violet flowers and fern-like leaves, this tree transforms streets, gardens, and backyards into living artwork. For beginners in the USA, growing Jacaranda mimosifolia is a rewarding journey of beauty and simplicity when given the right care. Start by planting your Jacaranda mimosifolia in a sunny spot where it can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. It thrives in warm climates, ideally between 65 degrees F and 85 degrees F, making it perfect for southern and coastal states such as California, Florida, and Texas. The soil should be well draining, and slightly sandy, soggy roots are the biggest enemy of this sun-loving tree. Water your Jacaranda mimosifolia deeply once or twice a week during dry months, allowing the top layer of soil to dry between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so always check the moisture before watering again. Feed your Jacaranda, Jacaranda mimosifolia, with a balanced fertilizer in early spring and mid-summer to promote lush foliage and abundant blooms. Light pruning in late winter helps remove weak branches and shape the canopy, encouraging better sunlight flow and stronger growth. Watch for pests like aphids or scale insects. These can be handled easily with organic neem oil or gentle soap spray. With consistent care, your Jacaranda's Jacaranda mimosifolia will reward you each spring with an explosion of violet blossoms that seem to rain from heaven. And at number 5 is Oleander Trees, Nerium oleander. Bask in the endless bloom of the Oleander Tree as Nerium oleander, a plant that paints your garden with pink, red, or white clusters all year long, even under the sunniest American skies. Known for its beauty and resilience, this ornamental tree is a favorite in warm regions like California, Florida, Texas, and Arizona, where its tropical charm thrives with minimal effort. To grow Oleander tree Nerium oleander successfully, start by choosing a bright, sunny spot. It loves full sun, needing at least 6 to 8 hours daily to bloom profusely. The ideal temperature range is between 60° F and 90° F. It tolerates heat well but should be protected from frost. Planted in well-draining soil, preferably sandy or loamy, to prevent root rot. When watering, let the soil dry slightly between sessions. Water deeply once a week in warm weather and less often in winter. Consistency is key. Overwatering can lead to soggy roots, while underwatering may slow flowering. Feed your Oleander tree Ceps Nerium oleander with a balanced fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during spring and summer to encourage dense growth and vibrant blooms. Prune lightly after flowering to shape the plant and remove spent blossoms. This keeps it healthy and blooming year-round. Watch for pests like aphids and scale. They can be handled with neem oil or gentle soap spray. With simple care, your Oleander tree Nerium oleander will flourish as a statement of beauty and endurance in your garden.